Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And I was going through Quora recently and I came across a very interesting question which caught my eye. By the way, I am not a very avid user of Quora, but this one question was very much interesting and caught my eye. And what was this question about is that how did a gentleman named Chirag Gupta lost 24 lakhs in 5 minutes in the stock market? And this was pretty interesting, so you can go and have a look at this particular link. I will try to summarize it for you. And basically this was one such mistake which when you do when trading options, this can really destroy you, and I will show you how. So this is one such thing which a lot of you might not know, and surprisingly a lot of us might be doing these kind of things. So we should be aware about this and we should avoid such things. So let's understand what happened. So as mentioned, this is a story about a guy named Chirag Gupta, a trader who lost 24 lakhs in just 5 minutes. And I never really prefer telling you about stories, but this teaches us a very important lesson, and that's why I thought it's important to share this with our community. So how all this happened was that on an expiry day, minutes prior to the expiry, Nifty was trading around 8600, and this gentleman Chirag Gupta bought 3000 lots of 8600 call option of Nifty at a premium of 0.05. Now you must have also seen that when the expiry is very close, the option premiums roughly start settling around this particular value, which is 0.05. Now what happened was when Nifty closed, the adjusted closing price of Nifty was around 8602.75. So you can understand that the call option which he bought became in the money, and when it became in the money, so the profit that he might have got was basically 2.75, which is the value which is above 8600, and minus the premium which he paid multiplied by 3000 lots and 75 per lot. So the profit was roughly around 6 lakh rupees, and this was really great because in just 5 minutes he had made 6.6 lakh rupees basically. But then you might ask, how did he lose? And one of the most ignorant things that we don't really care much about is the taxes and the STT, which is Securities Transaction Tax. And this could be really shocking to hear that most of us really don't know, but we need to understand that in the usual case, the STT charged is 0.05% on the premium which you pay. So usual case, this premium roughly amounts to about 11,000 to 12,000 rupees. But we need to understand that basically we would have been charged 0.05% on the total premium we which had paid. And this would have been in the case in which we had closed our option position before the market closes. But what he did was he did not close his option position, and by the way this gain was only possible because the adjusted closing came about 8600, which would have happened only after closing, not prior to that. So it was not possible to get this kind of a gain if he would have closed his option position before the market closed. But basically what happens is if your option contract expires in the money and you forgot to close the trade, the STT which you need to pay is 0.12%, but that is charged on the entire settlement value. Now you need to understand that the total settlement value in this case was this price of Nifty multiplied by 3000 multiplied by 75, and you need to calculate the 0.125% of this particular quantity, and this amounts to 24 lakh rupees. So you can see what sort of a blunder he did, and I'm sure that he also might not be knowing about this tax, and how does tax differ when the market closes and versus when you square off your position in open market. But the lesson which we need to learn is that a lot of us play the hero or zero trade on expiry, where we basically buy certain option and then we just hope for a surprisingly shocking move or a miracle, and basically we think that we are going to make profits, which might also happen. But if at all you do some blunder like this, you can imagine that the profit was 6 lakh rupees and the taxes paid were more than 24 lakhs. So this was one very short video, but just wanted to make you aware about the STT and the taxes, which you should understand if you're trading options. And see, buying an option worth of premium with rupees 0.05 is not a big deal. Even most of us could have bought huge quantities, but we need to understand the consequences and what could happen in case we forget to square off our positions before the market closes. So very short video, but I'm sure that this was the information which most of you should know if you are an options trader. And I hope you enjoyed this particular video and you learned something new. If you did, please consider pressing the like button, and if you're new here and coming here for the first time, subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.